with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious recipe, chocolate cupcakes for Halloween, that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This chocolate cupcake, this is what we need. We need cocoa powder, espresso powder, baking soda, baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 room temperature egg, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, vanilla paste, half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. Let's make these amazing and delicious chocolate cupcakes at home for Halloween. I want to start here first with the dry ingredients. Half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of espresso powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of granulated sugar. All these are my dry ingredients. I am going to incorporate very well, and then I'm ready to put it aside. This is a small batch. It could make 6 or it could make 4. Well, here I'm going to continue with my wet ingredients. I have 1 room temperature eggs, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm just going to mix away until it's nice and creamy. Once this is creamy, I am ready to add it to the dry ingredients. Of course, it's going to look like if you need more liquid, but no. Trust the process. Just continue mixing and you will know how to incorporate it. It's gonna get nice and thick, nice and chocolatey, and of course this cupcake is going to be so fluffy and so delicious. The flavor of chocolate and the combination of the espresso powder, oh my god, just amazing. Look at the texture of the batter. It's nice and thick, but it's going to come out amazing. Well, once it's nice and incorporated, I am going to remove the whisk. I am going to mix it with the spatula so you could see the texture. Of course, if you're using regular cupcake muffins, it's going to make 6. But if you're using these small, medium-sized cups for cupcakes, I might only make 4. But let me see. I'm still going to try and see if I can make 6. Remember, I told you this is a small batch. I don't have little ones at home, so I'm going to try and make 6. But if not, only 4 was the amount I was able to make. Of course, my oven is preheated to 350 Fahrenheit. It's gonna go in the oven for 15 minutes, and these are going to be my decoration. I have half a cup of chocolate chip and 1/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream, nice and hot. I'm going to pour it on the top, wait for a couple minutes, and then start whisking away. You're going to start noticing that the chocolate is going to melt and it's going to start getting nice and thick. There's no need to add anything else. Just let it sit until it starts firming up. There's no need to add anything else to this amazing mixture. Look at the texture. You're gonna let it set. I'm gonna add a little bit of black food coloring so that it gets nice and dark. And then I'm just gonna let it set. It's gonna start thickening, and I am going to be able to pipe it right on top of the cupcakes when they come out of the oven. Remember, when they come out of the oven, let them sit and come to room temperature. Look at this. Look at the texture. Look at the color. Oh my God. This topping is going to be amazing. I am just going to put it aside and let it firm up. The cupcakes came out of the oven. I'm putting a little stick in. If it comes out clean, that means they are completely cooked. I'm going to leave them aside for a couple minutes so they start coming to room temperature. And now I am ready for the decoration. But let me add all this mixture into a piping bag. And let me tell you, this topping is going to be amazing. If you have little ones at home, have them help you decorate your cupcakes. They're going to have so much fun. I remember when my kids were small, they really enjoyed being with me in the kitchen. Look at this. You decide what decoration you want to add to the top. And of course, some sprinkles right on the top. And a ghost. Look how beautiful that looks. Easy, amazing. When you make your cupcakes and everything from scratch, you have control. How much sugar you add to your baking goods. Look at this. Just gorgeous and amazing. I can't wait to enjoy. I can't wait to show you how fluffy this chocolate cupcake is from the center. Of course, I need to show you how they look from the center. How moist, how fluffy, and of course, just perfect for Halloween. Like, subscribe, and share. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. I'll see you in a bit. Let me tell you, my friends, this cupcake of chocolate with the chocolate cream right on the top, just gorgeous. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So delicious. I really enjoy my baking goods because I make it from zero and they always come out delicious. I hope you make these amazing chocolate cupcakes for Halloween. Like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget, when you bake with love, everything comes out perfect. See you soon. Bye-bye.